Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Explorers. I'm Hina.
And I'm Sam. We're so happy to have you here with us today.
Whether you're a regular listener or joining us for the first time, welcome to our English learning community.
Before we dive into today's super practical topic, we want to know, where are you watching from? Mumbai, Delhi, New York, London? Drop a comment below.
And tell us, have you ever felt nervous walking into a bank and needing to speak English?
Oh, I think everyone has felt that way at some point. Banks can be intimidating, especially when English isn't your first language.
Well, today's episode is going to change that completely. By the end of this podcast, you'll know exactly what to say at a bank in any situation.
We're going to cover everything: opening accounts, depositing money, withdrawing cash, asking about loans, and so much more.
You'll learn the exact phrases bank staff use and what you should say in response.
Plus, we'll do role plays so you can hear real banking conversations.
But before we start, if you find this helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports us.
And if you haven't subscribed to English Explorers yet, please subscribe. We release new episodes every single day with practical English lessons.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode.
And please comment throughout this video. Share your experiences, ask questions, and let us know if you're learning.
We read every comment, and your feedback helps us create better content for you.
All right, everyone, are you ready to master banking English?
Let's explore how to talk at the bank.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. When you first walk into a bank, what happens?
Usually, there's a receptionist or customer service person who greets you. They might say, "Good morning," or "How can I help you today?"
And you should respond politely. You can say "Good morning" back and then state your purpose.
"Good morning, I'd like to open an account." "Hello, I need to deposit some money." "Hi, I want to apply for a loan." "Good afternoon, I'm here to close my account."
Notice the structure. Greeting first, then "I'd like to," or "I need to," or "I want to."
"I'd like to" is the most polite and formal. "I need to" is also polite. "I want to" is more direct.
In a bank, it's best to use "I'd like to." It sounds professional and courteous.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. "I'd like to open a savings account, please."
Perfect. That simple phrase will get you started at any bank.
Now let's talk about opening a bank account. This is one of the most common reasons people go to a bank.
When you want to open an account, the bank staff will ask you several questions. Let's go through them.
Sam, let's do a role play. You be the bank officer and I'll be the customer.
Good morning. Welcome to our bank. How may I assist you today?
Key phrases for opening an account. Customer phrases. "I'd like to open a savings account." "I'd like to open a checking account." "What types of accounts do you offer?" "What's the minimum balance requirement?" "Is there a monthly fee?" "I'd like to apply for a debit card." "Can I set up online banking?"
Phrases the bank officer might use. May I have your identification documents? Please fill out this application form. What type of account would you like? You'll need to maintain a minimum balance. Your account will be active immediately. You'll receive your card in 5 to 7 business days.
These are the phrases you'll hear most often when opening an account.
Write these down or take a screenshot. They're really useful. Now, let's talk about depositing money. This is something you'll do regularly.
"Good morning. I'd like to open a savings account, please."
Certainly. May I have your full name, please?
"Yes, my name is Hina Sharma."
Thank you, Miss Sharma. May I see your identification documents? We'll need a photo ID and proof of address.
"Of course. Here's my passport and my utility bill for address proof."
Perfect. And what type of account would you like to open? We have regular savings accounts and high-interest savings accounts.
What's the difference between them?
The high-interest account offers a better interest rate, but it requires a minimum balance of $5,000. The regular savings account has no minimum balance requirement.
I see. I'll go with the regular savings account, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like a debit card with your account?
Yes, please. I'd like a debit card.
Perfect. I'll need you to fill out this application form. You can also set up online banking if you'd like.
Yes, I'd like to set up online banking as well. How do I do that?
I'll give you the instructions after we complete the account opening. You'll receive your login details by email within 24 hours.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Your account will be active immediately and your debit card will arrive by mail in 5 to 7 business days.
Great. Did everyone catch those important phrases?
Let's highlight the key expressions we used.
When you want to deposit money, you usually go to a teller. A teller is the person behind the counter who handles cash transactions.
Let me be the customer this time, and Hina, you be the teller.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to deposit this check into my account, please.
Certainly. May I have your account number, please?
Yes, it's 457-891-2345.
Thank you. And do you have your deposit slip filled out?
Actually, I don't. I'm not sure how to fill it out.
No problem. I can help you with that. You'll need to write your account number here, the date here, and the amount you're depositing here.
Thank you. The amount is $1,000.
Perfect. Please endorse the check on the back by signing your name.
Endorse? What does that mean?
It means to sign your name on the back of the check. This authorizes us to deposit it into your account.
Oh, I see. Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now, would you like any cash back from this deposit?
No, thank you. I'd like to deposit the full amount.
All right. Your check will be deposited into your account. Please note that it may take 2 to 3 business days for the funds to be available.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Here's your receipt. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Perfect. That's a typical deposit transaction.
Let's review the important vocabulary from that conversation.
Key banking vocabulary. Deposit, to put money into your account. Withdraw, to take money out of your account. Account number, your unique identification number.
Deposit slip, a form you fill out when depositing money. Endorse, to sign the back of a check. Cash back, getting some cash when you deposit. Funds, money. Business days, Monday through Friday, not weekends or holidays. Receipt, proof of your transaction.
These words are essential for banking. Make sure you understand each one. You'll use these words every time you go to a bank. Now let's talk about withdrawing money, taking cash out of your account.
There are 2 main ways to withdraw money: using an ATM or going to a teller.
ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It's a machine where you can get cash using your debit card.
Let's focus on going to a teller for now. Sam, let's role play this.
Okay, I'll be the teller this time.
Hello, I'd like to withdraw some money from my account, please.
Of course. May I see your debit card or ID, please?
Here's my debit card.
Thank you. How much would you like to withdraw?
I'd like to withdraw $500, please.
Certainly. How would you like that? Large bills or small bills?
What do you mean by large bills and small bills?
Large bills would be $50 or $100 bills. Small bills would be 10s and 20s.
I'd like it in 20s, please.
Perfect. Let me just verify your account. Yes, you have sufficient funds. Here's your $500. Please count it to make sure it's correct.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
Would you like a receipt for this transaction?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Important phrases for withdrawing money.
I'd like to withdraw money from my account. I need to take out some cash. How much can I withdraw per day? What's my current balance? Can I withdraw from my savings account? I'd like it in small bills, please. Do I have sufficient funds?
And remember these important words: sufficient funds, enough money in your account. Insufficient funds, not enough money. Daily withdrawal limit, maximum amounts you can withdraw per day. Current balance, how much money is in your account now. Available balance, money you can use right now. If you try to withdraw more than you have, the bank will say, "I'm sorry, you have insufficient funds." That means you don't have enough money in your account.
Let's talk about checking your account balance.
Your balance is how much money you have in your account. It's important to check it regularly.
You can check your balance in several ways: at an ATM, online banking, mobile banking app, calling the bank, or asking a teller.
Let's practice asking a teller for your balance.
Excuse me, could you tell me my current account balance, please?
Of course. May I have your account number or debit card?
Here's my debit card.
Thank you. Your current balance is $2,345.67.
Is that my available balance or total balance?
That's your available balance, the amount you can use right now. Your total balance, including pending transactions, is $2,500.
I see. What's pending?
Pending means transactions that haven't been completed yet, like checks you've deposited that haven't cleared.
Thank you for explaining that.
You're welcome. Would you like a printed statement?
What's a statement?
A statement shows all your transactions, deposits, withdrawals, and fees for a certain period, usually monthly.
Yes, please. I'd like a statement for the last month.
Here you go. Is there anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Let's review some essential terms we just used.
Current balance is total money in your account now. Available balance is money you can actually use. Pending transactions are transactions not yet completed. Statement is a record of all your account activity. Monthly statement is a statement for 1 month. Transaction is any activity in your account: deposit, withdrawal, transfer. Cleared is a check or transaction that's been processed.
Understanding these terms will make banking so much easier.
Now let's talk about transferring money between accounts.
A transfer is when you move money from one account to another, like from savings to checking.
Let's practice this.
Hello, I'd like to transfer money from my savings account to my checking account, please.
Certainly. How much would you like to transfer?
I'd like to transfer $1,000, please.
All right, let me verify your account numbers. You want to transfer from savings account ending in 5678 to checking account ending in 1234?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. The transfer will be processed immediately and the funds will be available in your checking account right away.
Is there a fee for transfers?
No, transfers between your own accounts are free. However, if you're transferring to another person's account, there may be a fee.
I see. And can I transfer money online as well?
Yes, you can do transfers through online banking or our mobile app. It's very convenient.
That sounds useful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt for the transfer.
Transfer-related phrases.
I'd like to transfer money between accounts. Can I transfer funds online? Is there a fee for transfers? How long does a transfer take? I want to transfer money to another person. Can I set up automatic transfers? I'd like to transfer from savings to checking.
Types of transfers. Internal transfer, between your own accounts at the same bank. External transfer, to an account at a different bank. Wire transfer, fast transfer, usually for large amounts, may have fees. Direct transfer, electronic transfer between accounts. Automatic transfer, scheduled regular transfers.
Each type has different processing times and fees, so always ask. Let's talk about asking questions at the bank. Don't be shy. It's okay to ask.
Absolutely. Bank staff are there to help you. Here are useful questions you can ask.
Questions about fees. Are there any monthly fees for this account? What are the charges for ATM withdrawals? Is there a fee for using other banks' ATMs? Do you charge for paper statements? What's the overdraft fee?
An overdraft is when you spend more money than you have in your account. The bank may charge you a fee.
Questions about services. Do you offer online banking? Can I pay bills through your bank? Do you have a mobile app? What are your business hours? Do you have weekend hours? Where are your ATMs located?
Questions about cards. When will I receive my debit card? Can I have a credit card? What if I lose my card? How do I report a stolen card? Can I set a PIN for my card? What's the daily spending limit on my card?
Never hesitate to ask these questions. It's your money, and you have the right to understand everything.
Let's talk about a common problem. If you lose your debit card or it gets stolen.
This is really important. If your card is lost or stolen, you need to report it immediately.
Let's practice this urgent situation.
Hello, I need help urgently. I've lost my debit card.
I'm sorry to hear that. Don't worry, we'll help you right away. First, let me block your card immediately to prevent unauthorized use.
Thank you. I'm worried someone might use it.
I understand your concern. Your card is now blocked. Can you tell me when you last used it?
I used it yesterday at a grocery store. I noticed it was missing this morning.
All right. Let me check your recent transactions to see if there's any suspicious activity.
Is there anything unusual?
No, all the transactions look normal. The last one was yesterday at the grocery store, as you mentioned.
That's good. What should I do now?
I'll issue you a new card right away. It will arrive at your registered address in 5 to 7 business days. In the meantime, would you like a temporary card?
Yes, please. Can I get it today?
Yes, you can pick up a temporary card from our branch within 2 hours. It will work until your permanent card arrives.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Will my card number change?
Yes, for security reasons, we'll issue a completely new card with a new number. Make sure to update any automatic payments you have set up.
Yeah, I see. Thank you for the reminder.
Important phrases for card problems.
Card emergency phrases. I've lost my debit card. My card has been stolen. I need to block my card immediately. I'd like to report unauthorized transactions. Can you check for suspicious activity? I need a replacement card. How long will it take to get a new card? Can I get a temporary card?
Block a card, stop it from being used. Unauthorized transactions, purchases you didn't make, suspicious activity, unusual or strange transactions, replacement card, a new card to replace the lost one, temporary card, a card you can use while waiting for your permanent one, registered address, the address the bank has on file for you.
Remember, if your card is lost or stolen, call the bank immediately. Don't wait.
The faster you report it, the safer your money will be.
Let's talk about applying for a loan.
A loan is money you borrow from the bank that you pay back over time with interest.
Common types of loans. Personal loan, for general use. Home loan or mortgage, to buy a house. Car loan or auto loan, to buy a vehicle. Student loan, for education. Business loan, to start or expand a business.
Let's practice applying for a personal loan.
Hello, I'm interested in applying for a personal loan.
Certainly, I'd be happy to help you with that. How much would you like to borrow?
I'd like to borrow $10,000.
And what's the purpose of this loan? Is it for debt consolidation, home improvement, or something else?
It's for home renovation.
I see. And over what period would you like to repay the loan? We offer terms from 1 to 5 years.
What's the difference in monthly payments?
If you choose a shorter term, like 1 year, your monthly payments will be higher, but you'll pay less interest overall. A longer term means lower monthly payments, but more interest paid over time.
I think I'd like a 3-year term. What would the monthly payment be?
With our current interest rate of 7%, your monthly payment would be approximately $308.
What documents do I need to apply?
You'll need proof of identity, proof of income, recent pay stubs or tax returns, proof of address, bank statements from the last 3 months, information about your current debts.
I see. And how long does the approval process take?
Once you submit all documents, we'll review your application. If approved, you could receive the funds within 3 to 5 business days.
That sounds reasonable. What's the next step?
I'll give you an application form to fill out. You can complete it here or take it home and return it with all the required documents.
I'll fill it out here. Thank you for all the information.
Loan vocabulary and phrases.
Borrow, to take money as a loan. Lend, to give money as a loan. The bank lends to you. Interest rate, the percentage charged for borrowing. APR, annual percentage rate, the yearly cost of the loan. Term, the length of time to repay. Monthly payment, what you pay each month. Principal, the original amount borrowed. Collateral, something valuable you offer as security. Credit score, a number showing your credit worthiness. Approval, when the bank agrees to give you the loan. Debt consolidation, combining multiple debts into one loan.
Useful questions. What's your current interest rate? What are the repayment terms? Is there a penalty for early repayment? What's the minimum credit score required? Do I need collateral for this loan? How much can I qualify for?
Always read the loan agreement carefully before signing.
The practical section. Let's talk about common banking problems and how to handle them.
Problem 1. You see a transaction you didn't make.
Excuse me, I noticed a transaction on my statement that I didn't authorize. Can you help me investigate this?
Of course, let me pull up your account. Can you tell me which transaction you're concerned about?
There's a charge for $200 on March 15th at a store I've never been to.
I'll file a dispute for you immediately. We'll investigate this and issue you a temporary credit while we investigate.
Key phrase, I'd like to dispute this transaction.
Problem 2, you were charged a fee you don't understand.
I noticed a $15 fee on my account. Can you explain what this is for?
That's a monthly maintenance fee for your checking account. However, you can avoid this fee by maintaining a minimum balance of $1,000 or setting up direct deposit.
I didn't realize there was a monthly fee. Can the fee be waived this time?
Since this is your first time, I can waive the fee as a courtesy. Let me reverse that charge for you.
Thank you so much. I'll make sure to maintain the minimum balance from now on.
Don't be afraid to ask about fees. Sometimes they can be waived.
Problem 3. You need to update your personal information.
Hello. I recently moved and need to update my address on my account.
Certainly, I can help you with that. May I have your new address?
It's 123 Oak Street, apartment 4B, New York, NY 10001.
Thank you. And do you have a document showing your new address? We'll need proof of address.
Yes, I have my updated driver's license and a recent utility bill.
Perfect. I'll update your address immediately. You should receive confirmation by email within 24 hours.
Always keep your personal information updated at the bank.
Let's talk about polite banking etiquette.
Etiquette means proper behavior. Here are some tips.
Banking etiquette. Always greet the staff politely. Have your ID and cards ready. Fill out forms before getting in line if possible. Be patient if there's a wait. Speak clearly and calmly. Don't discuss your account details loudly. Thank the staff for their help. Put away your phone when speaking to staff.
Polite phrases to use. Thank you for your help. I appreciate your time. Could you please explain that again? I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Thank you for your patience.
Remember, bank staff are there to help you. Being polite makes the interaction better for everyone.
All right, everyone, let's test what you've learned. Quick quiz.
Answer these in your head or comment below.
Question 1. How do you politely ask to withdraw money?
I'd like to withdraw amount from my account, please.
Question 2. What should you say if you lose your debit card?
I've lost my debit card. I need to block it immediately, please.
How do you ask about fees?
Are there any fees for this account? Or what are the charges for this service?
What's the polite way to ask about your balance?
Could you tell me my current account balance, please?
How do you report an unauthorized transaction?
I'd like to dispute this transaction. Or I noticed the charge I didn't authorize.
How did you do? Comment your score.
We read every comment, and your feedback helps us create better content.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Every conversation is progress.
Don't worry about making mistakes. The bank staff will understand you, and you're learning.
Next time you go to a bank, use what you learned today. Then come back and tell us how it went.
We're so proud of you for working on improving your English.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and keep exploring English with us.
This is Hina.
And Sam.
Together, we're from English Explorers. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone. May your banking be smooth and your English be perfect.
See you at the bank, or at least see you tomorrow.